Hello, and welcome to Conservation Skills in 10 Minutes or Less. This series of short, skill-based videos is brought to you by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service's National Conservation Training Center in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. If you have a few minutes, pull up a chair and pick up a new conservation skill or refresh an old one on topics ranging from fish culture to bird identification to stream restoration. Enjoy. Hello. My name is Matthew Patterson, and I'm a course leader at the National Conservation Training Center. I'm not going to lead you through this skill exercise today, but I want to introduce you to a new series of skills that we're offering. This series is called Facilitation Tools for Conservation. So why are we interested in facilitation tools as it relates to conservation? Well, anytime you're dealing with a difficult decision in conservation, maybe the removal of a dam, or the listing or delisting of a species, we have to meet with our partners, make compromises, and make sure that we have the best conservation decision that we can get. Now, sometimes you're going to meet with your partners out in the field, and other times you're going to meet with them in the boardroom. Regardless of where you're meeting them, to make your meetings more efficient and more effective, it's important to have good facilitation skills, especially if you're the person in charge of the meeting. So this series will walk you through a variety of skills to improve your facilitation and help you get through these difficult meetings. Enjoy.
Affinity diagrams can be used to group ideas, connect them by their unifying concepts, and identify major themes from a multitude of opinions and issues. Here are a few scenarios in which affinity diagrams can be helpful. When chaos exists in the group discussion, the volume of ideas is overwhelming the group, or there is a need to broadly identify themes or categories. To begin, clearly state the issue to be discussed. In our scenario, the team will be talking about ways to reduce traffic congestion in their town. Clarifying instructions are then provided. Examples can include a time limit or a suggested target number of ideas. It is now time for brainstorming. Silently, participants will write down their ideas using one sticky note per idea. When done, participants will place their sticky notes on a wall or whiteboard where everyone can see. Now group similar ideas together. The group can do this individually or can identify ideas for the facilitator to move together. Encourage the group not to overthink this step. Ideas can be moved later during this process. Once groups are formed, ask participants to name each group. Try to avoid one-word titles. Review and discuss the ideas in each group, and participants can suggest changes and ask for clarification. Duplicate ideas can be removed by group consensus. Once complete, the affinity diagram can be used to create action items to help solve the identified problem. Affinity diagrams allow all participants to contribute, build consensus, and foster shared understanding.
You want to learn more about this skill? I suggest signing up for the Business Communications course at the National Conservation Training Center. And if you stick around after this video, I'll walk you through how to find this course on our website. If you have questions about the skills in this facilitation series, please contact Christy at the email and phone number below. If you have questions about other skills or any course at the National Conservation Training Center, you can reach me at the phone and email address below. Thank you. As promised, I was going to show you how to find this course on our website. Best bet is to use a search engine and type in National Conservation Training Center. It's usually the first thing that pops up. And then in the search bar, you want to type in business communication. Hit enter. You can see the first PDF here. Open that up. And you can see it provides a description, objectives, target audience, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find upcoming courses. Thanks. Thanks again for joining us for Conservation Skills in 10 minutes or less. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, hit the subscribe button, share this video with a friend, or check out one of the many other skill-based videos in this series. Have a wonderful day, and always remember, the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you.